So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Shopify store. So the first thing you want to do is go to Shopify, which will look something like this once you log in. After that you can see home, orders, products, customers, marketing, discounts, content, markets, online store, as well as apps and settings. So you can go to settings right there. Now from here you can see general, plan, billing, users, payments, and many more options underneath, but I suggest that you click on plan. Once you've clicked on plan, you can see here for a trial, you can choose a plan. And once you have a full plan, you can just choose to deactivate your store. Now, this may sound a bit drastic, but that's how you can actually cancel your store. It's just basically by deactivating your plan as well as first deactivating your store. So once that's complete, you can even cancel it through here. And if your store isn't published, as mine isn't right now, your store will follow suit and it will be deactivated as well, so you can cancel it like that. So to just repeat the process, it's going through settings, then finding your plan, which should be the second tab, and on there you can see the option to cancel your store or to deactivate your store, which will be the same as canceling it within your plan. And then you can start from scratch and choose a new one. You can even see it on here, all stores, so you can choose between those as well, so you can manage it on there as well. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.